The best podcasting microphones for 2023. The future of podcasting. Hello and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of podcasting, uncovering the finest microphones that will make your voice shine and your audience applaud. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, we've got something special for everyone. So buckle up and get ready to discover your audio oasis. MAONO HD300T. I firstly got the MAONO USB XLR Podcast Dynamic Microphone Kit, HD300T, and I must say that it has far exceeded my expectations. This package includes everything you need to capture professional quality audio, whether you're a podcaster, musician, or content creator. First and foremost, the microphone is excellent. The dynamic microphone captures every element of my voice and instruments with astonishing clarity, delivering clear and crisp sounds. This microphone constantly produces excellent quality, whether I'm recording voice, acoustic guitar, or streaming. The built-in volume control is a useful feature that allows me to quickly change the input level, ensuring that my music is always correct. And when it comes to reducing undesired vibrations and handling noise, the accompanying shock mount is a game changer. It secures the microphone in place, allowing you to walk around and speak freely without worrying about disrupting your recordings. Furthermore, the pop filter is quite effective in reducing plosive noises and unnecessary breath noise, resulting in clear and professional audio. Also, this microphone's adaptability is a huge benefit. I can use it with my computer for podcasting and live streaming, or connect it to a specialized audio interface for studio recordings because it has USB and XLR connectivity options. What's more, its USB connections plug-and-play operation is extremely straightforward, and the XLR option provides compatibility with a wide range of audio equipment. Shure MV7X. Next, let's take a look at the Shure MV7X. When I first saw the Shure MV7X XLR podcast microphone, I was struck by its professional-grade look and build quality. The sleek black color, all-metal construction, and robust feel convey dependability and durability. Its excellent voice-isolating technology was one of the things that drew my interest. By efficiently minimizing background noise and isolating the primary speech source, this breakthrough promises to offer extraordinarily clear and focused audio recordings. It's a promising feature for podcasters and vocal recording lovers. The microphone's compatibility with regular microphone stands adds to its attractiveness, allowing for greater positional freedom and improving the overall user experience. By this itself, we can surely say that Shure clearly developed this microphone with functionality in mind. The improved frequency response is something to be enthused about in terms of audio performance. It implies that the MV7X has been fine-tuned to record voices and spoken word with extraordinary precision, guaranteeing that every nuance and detail of the voice is authentically reproduced. MXL 990 Blaze. Moving on, we have the MXL 990 Blaze. My first impression of the MXL 990 Blaze large diaphragm condenser microphone can be summed up in one word: eye-catching. The brilliant red LED light not only distinguishes it visually, but also offers a distinct practical aspect. It features an eye-catching design. The bright red LED light that surrounds the diaphragm adds a contemporary and eye-catching accent. But it's not just for show. It's also a valuable indication, especially in low-light recording conditions. This MXL 990 Blaze stands out from the crowd due to its attention to detail and design. It also appears to be well-made and durable. Because of the broad diaphragm, it should be able to capture a wide frequency range and give high-quality audio. This makes it appealing for a wide range of recording applications, including vocals and instruments. Even better, the LED light's potential to improve the recording experience has piqued my interest. It can offer visual feedback on the condition of the microphone and assist signal when it is actively taking up sound. This is extremely handy for live streaming, podcasting, or any other circumstance where microphone activity must be monitored. Of course, audio performance is the actual measure of a microphone's quality, and I'm excited to put the MXL 990 Blaze to the test. While the shape of the big diaphragm condenser implies that it should excel at capturing rich and detailed sound. Heil PR40. Moving on, we have the Heil PR40. After extended use of the Heil PR40 large diameter dynamic cardioid studio microphone, I can confidently say that it has exceeded my expectations in every aspect. This comprehensive package includes the PR40 microphone itself, a PRS-MB shock mount, a 2-section broadcast arm, and an XLR cable. Together, they form a powerhouse setup for studio recording and broadcasting. So let's start with its performance. It's nothing short of outstanding. The large dynamic cardioid design excels in capturing vocals and instruments with remarkable clarity and detail. Whether I'm recording vocals, acoustic instruments, or podcasting, this PR40 consistently delivers warm and natural sound. It handles a wide range of frequencies easily, making it suitable for various audio applications. Plus, the build quality of the microphone is exceptional. It feels robust and durable, and the black finish gives it a professional appearance. While the included PRS-MB shock mount is a valuable addition, effectively isolating the microphone from vibrations and handling noise. This ensures that my recordings are free from unwanted disturbances, allowing for pristine audio quality. Along with these, the 2-section broadcast arm included in this bundle is a game changer for convenience and flexibility. It's sturdy and easy to adjust, allowing me to position the microphone precisely where I need it. Whether I'm recording standing up or sitting down, the broadcast arm accommodates various recording setups with ease. It's a significant upgrade from traditional microphone stands. Electro-Voice RE20. Next is the Electro-Voice RE20. This Electro-Voice RE20 broadcast announcer microphone bundle, which includes the classic RE20 microphone in black, a high-quality shock mount, and a durable broadcast arm with XLR connector, has truly made a lasting impact on my broadcasting and recording experience. To begin with, the RE20 microphone is nothing short of legendary. It's well known in the broadcasting profession for capturing clear, warm, and expressive audio. In every way, this dynamic cardioid microphone has lived up to its illustrious reputation. Its innovative variable D design reduces proximity effect, enabling for constant audio recording even when placed close to the microphone. The microphone's all-black appearance is elegant and professional, making it an appealing complement to any studio setup. More significantly, it's constructed like a tank, with a sturdy design that guarantees lifespan and durability. The accompanying high-quality shock mount efficiently minimizes vibrations and handling noise, allowing the microphone to record pure sound without interruption. The bundle's attention to detail indicates a dedication to providing a great audio recording experience. The broadcast arm, which is also included in the bundle, is an engineering wonder. It's both solid and adaptable, giving me entire control over microphone positioning. In practice, the Electro-Voice RE20 bundle has significantly improved my broadcasting and recording skills while I tested it. RØDE NT1 5th Gen. Lastly, we have the RØDE NT1 5th Generation Large Diaphragm Studio Condenser Microphone. With XLR and USB outputs, and bundled with a shock mount and pop filter, this is a true masterpiece of versatility and audio clarity. This studio microphone package has proven itself to be a game changer for music production, vocal recording, and podcasting. The RØDE NT1's outstanding audio quality was the first thing that drew my attention. It excels at capturing rich and detailed sound due to its large diaphragm condenser construction, making it perfect for a wide range of recording applications. The NT1 constantly offers immaculate and transparent audio, whether I'm recording voice, acoustic instruments, or podcast episodes. Its minimal self-noise guarantees that even the most subtle subtleties are accurately represented. And the availability of both XLR and USB outputs is also an outstanding feature that provides amazing versatility. This microphone may be used in standard studio settings as well as directly linked to a computer for quick and easy recording. Coming again, the provided shock mount adequately separates the microphone from vibrations and handling noise, ensuring that my recordings are free of unwanted interruptions. It's a useful feature that boosts the overall audio quality, while its pop filter refines the recording process even more by reducing plosive noises and unnecessary breath noise. The bundle's attention to detail illustrates RØDE's commitment to providing a comprehensive and user-friendly recording solution. Overall, this RØDE NT1 has continually pleased me in usage. Thanks for tuning into our channel. We hope you found our reviews informative and helpful in your search for the best products for you.